How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a discussion about tech videos on YouTube and the overall tech niche on YouTube, and something I've been thinking about with my channel in regards to making tech-related content, because I saw a bunch of videos on YouTube. I follow a bunch of tech YouTubers, and that's why I make like a lot of tech content on YouTube. But so I was watching a bunch of these videos, and they were talking about this topic as well, about how like overall like tech views on YouTube have gone down a lot drastically, and at first I didn't believe this, but then I checked some of like the bigger tech channels on YouTube, and I noticed like a lot of their recent views have been like pretty low in comparison to what they used to get. Right, why tech YouTube is dying over time. I looked at all these other channels, and they normally got a bunch of views, and they suddenly stopped doing that. So there's two main issues I see right now with the tech and with making tech content overall. And what I like about my channel is I'm not specifically tech, like a tech reviewer. I review tech on this channel, right? I think, don't get me wrong, I do reviews on a lot of stuff. I also focus on productivity and motivation, but I don't want to be constrained to just like sitting and making a tech review on like a mouse, for example. And I will admit, like right now, making tech reviews, in my opinion, I'm not good at it. Well, that's not to say I'm not like good at reviewing tech. I think I make good reviews. I don't like the process of making tech reviews. The fact that I have to sit here and like use the product for a really, really long time, and then have to kind of like consolidate my thoughts into a spreadsheet, or not a spreadsheet, like a bunch of notes, give my objective opinions and also subjective thoughts on the device, and then at the end of the day, like have to like tell you guys like should you buy this product or not. It's a hassle. I mean, and the thing is, and this goes along with point number two, it's a lot of effort, and the results aren't that great because of the current market for the tech industry. Tech has become so good now that every like incremental upgrade for certain products, say like smartphones, for example, it's not like groundbreaking stuff anymore like it used to around like the iPhone like 5 or like 4S days, where every like new generation was coming out with these new amazing features that we've never seen before. Now it's kind of like every single smartphone is like pretty similar for the most part, and it's kind of boring. I mean, like everything has like a really good processor and a lot of RAM and a really good camera and a really good screen, 120 hertz. It's a lot of wants and not a lot of needs, in my opinion. You have tech that's gotten so good now that like people just stop really caring about it in a way. So the issue here is like you don't have people like, and myself included, I used to watch way more tech videos, way more reviews. I'd watch like 10 videos on the same sort of product. I don't really do that anymore. I'll usually just watch like one or two at most, because I know those reviewers are going to give me like good insight into the product. And so this is where a small tech YouTuber like myself and other small creators are having issues. I can no longer tell my individual story because the market is so saturated. Why would someone watch my review, even if my review is fantastic, say the editing's amazing, say I have a thought about a product that no one else thought of, like I pointed out this error with this product that no one else noticed, something like that. So I could do that. However, no one's going to watch my review because there's so many other videos already on this same product already out there. So, and what you'll see is the only videos that these big tech YouTubers getting tons of videos or tons of views on right now, not tons of videos. So the videos that they're getting the most views on right now are new product releases. Hands down, that is a fact. So let's take an example of a video I made. I made a video, I don't have it on me right now, but of an iPhone 13 Pro, right? Like that second most expensive iPhone in iPhone history, right? $1,000 smartphone, only slightly less expensive compared to the Plus model, not the Plus model, Pro Max model, right? I go out, I purchased this phone for $1,000. Granted, I gifted it to someone afterwards. And the thing is, I put a ton of effort into that review. I bought the product. None of that was easy. I got it like on release day. I like actually drove to the store and got it on release day. I made the whole review. It was really thought out. I thought the cinematography was good. The editing was good. My narration was good. I had no complaints with my video. I thought I did a good, really good job. Thumbnail was good. Title was good. Tags were good. Whatever. And the thing is, the video just didn't perform well because these tech YouTubers, the bigger ones like the Marquez Brownlees, the Your Average Consumer, Linus Tech Tips, Unbox Therapy, they already uploaded their reviews like what, like 3 days earlier, because they get early access to literally everything. So channels like mine, I could make a great video and still it's not going to perform well because they already created their own video and it's already released to the public. They've already seen it. They get to mine and they're like, why would I watch this? Guy has like 481 subs now, almost at 500. Subscribe if you're new. Why would they watch my video, even if it's amazing? Because those guys already have like a fan base already. So it's kind of like reviews on Amazon. They already have 1 million like 5-star reviews, or maybe like 4.9-star reviews. So let's just go watch them. Why would I watch this like newbie, right? Even if my video is amazing, which I think I do put a lot of effort into my videos, and I think they're really solid. I definitely put a ton of effort into my videos now compared to when I used to, 100%. So those are the two issues. One, making the reviews is not that fun for me anymore. I honestly like making unboxing videos more because it's more of like a subjective, like initial impressions of a product rather than like, so you have to like use the product for like a month or so and then like consolidate my thoughts and then film all the B-roll and the A-roll and all that stuff and narration and then edit it and then thumbnail and blah, blah, blah. Then you upload it and no one cares about that video because that product's already been reviewed 1,000 times. That's the issue I'm having. It's not and the problem is like even the most top YouTubers, like I said, the big tech reviewers are not getting like the views they used to. So the little guy like me, I come in and I'm making these really solid tech videos. I'm at the bottom of the barrel right now. Like everyone else is getting like less views, so I'm going to get less as well. And so you have to like put that in perspective. Like I have a subscriber count of 41. I might get on like my iPhone 13 Pro review. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it was definitely like, I think the unboxing got like 180 and then the review got somewhere around 100, less than 100 views. And that's a huge investment for the channel, right? Going out and spending $1,000 on a tech product to review and going and picking up release day to try to like get it out there and be first to review it and stuff like that. But I was late. And there's nothing I could do about that. Like everyone already uploaded their video because they get early access to those. So the question is like, what do I do? Like I can't. It's clearly proven to me, and not only like that's an iPhone, right? That's like one of the most searched products on the internet. What happens if I want to review a product that a company sends me? Say something that's not like Amazon Choice recommended like top of Amazon's page that gets like a ton of reviews and searches and stuff like that. Say it's like a Chinese like headphone company, right? They send me a product, I review it. Someone's going to look at my video and be like, I've never heard of that product before. This is a small tech YouTuber. It's a good video, I bet. Good thumbnail, good title and stuff like that. But I don't care about it, to be honest. Because I know that person watching it, like if I were to see someone upload like a Chinese like headphone review, I'd sit there and be like, why would I watch this? Like, I'm just going to go like search. If I want headphones, I'm going to search for like the name brand stuff. You know what I mean? Like Beats, Bose, Sennheiser, Sony's, like those sorts of headphone companies. Why would I watch this small YouTuber who's making a review on these like Chinese, like low search volume, like headphones, like low search results on Amazon headphones? They wouldn't. I mean, that's just facts. And so that's an issue for me. How do I tell my story if I'm creating stuff that isn't desired? Like there's no demand for it. Like all the demand is like consumed by the big tech YouTubers. And so I get the scraps. And if the demand's going down for the niche, as well as I'm at the bottom of the barrel because all the other people are consuming all the views, then I'm kind of left with nothing right now. And I've seen that with my iPhone 13. That's like the biggest example I'm going to keep bringing up. Like $1,000 on a brand new release smartphone. I don't think I could have made a better video. Probably not. I couldn't make a better thumbnail or tags. Like I did the best I could and still didn't perform well. I mean, like I know that's a popular item. I know my thumbnail was solid, but the big tech YouTubers grabbed up all the views, and why would someone watch a small YouTuber like me reviewing an iPhone 13, even if the review's good? They already know everything about the phone. Like they don't care what I have to say about it. And even if I do say something super interesting, they're not going to take my word for it because these other guys have like gained so much like credibility over time. So that kind of leaves me with a question of like, what do I do going forward? How do I get more views? Like, what are the steps in place for me to add value to you guys, but at the same time, like, have me enjoying making the content? You know what I mean? I don't want to sit here and like, okay, let's bring back the mouse, or maybe this keyboard, I don't know, or my tablet. Like, I can't sit here and just like use this mouse, for example, film B-roll, film A-roll, upload the review. You guys, I don't even, M310 by Logitech mouse. No one gives a crap about this mouse because no one's ever heard of it. It's probably one of the most like used mice like on Amazon, but you just don't care about this. Like, I don't even care about it. So if I don't care about it, why would you care about it? You know what I mean? So I can't just sit here and review a product just for the sake of reviewing the product. I understand, like, if you want to get views, you have to be first to upload it. However, like I said, the tech YouTubers are just taking up all those views at this point. The videos that I've done well on are my Samsung video. I don't know why my S21 videos do really solid. I know I have a big Samsung fan base on this channel, and I've fully recognized that, but I can't keep making like the same sort of like, oh, what's on my phone? Although I do like making those videos. I can't do that forever, right? So like, how do I add value to my audience? I understand I'm not the most entertaining person in the world. I'm more focused on like, hey, here's what I do. I want to add value by teaching you sort of things or showing you how I do things. So I do better with like the educational sort of thing. With like Life Made Easy, I made tutorials all surrounding like Xbox and PC. Those got absolute crap ton of views. And whenever I made like a review of a tech product on that channel, it was dead. Like 100%. The video just like did not rank well in search. YouTube was trying to tell me like, stop making these tech reviews. Like, I love tech, right? Like, that's one of my passions. Like, as you can see, I have a nice camera, microphone, yada yada, PC. I built all this stuff. I like this stuff. I like talking about it. I can't make a full review on it. It's so boring to me. Like, it's incredibly tedious and boring, and I don't like it. I'd rather sit here and incorporate tech into my videos and show you. Like, I'd rather show you rather than tell you. I guess that's the best way I can put this. I want to show you my tech and how it helps me rather than just telling you about my tech, which is extremely boring. Go listen to, like, Marquez Brownlee if you want a review on the iPhone 13 Pro. I fully understand that. Like, he gives good insight into all that stuff. Or Unbox Therapy. He's super entertaining. Maybe not as educational, but let me show you. Let me, like, if this channel is about my like brand, like myself, I am the brand. I mean, the name of the channel is me, like Scott Tyler. Like, if I'm the brand, like, then I need to incorporate aspects of my life and my passions into these videos. And I can't be handcuffed or restricted by reviewing tech products. And I, like, going forward, I don't want a title of a product and the word review going into a title. Like, I don't want that anymore. I'll do an unboxing or whatever. Like, I'm fine doing unboxings. I like doing unboxings, but I don't want the product name and a review going in a title going forward, just because it's so tedious. It's so boring. I can't sit here and film tech reviews anymore. Like, that doesn't mean I hate tech. I want to, like, emphasize that. I don't hate tech. I love tech. I just think if I want to incorporate that into my videos, maybe like show how the tech helps me with the productivity or motivation stuff that I talk about on this channel. Like I said, like, I made a book review video. I don't know if that's already up by the time this video is going to be up, but like, talk about that stuff, like how those books helped me. I like that sort of thing. Or my day in life, I show you my setups, stuff like that. Like, that's a showing. I'm showing you my life and how tech helps me and makes me more productive. I think that's the ultimate goal of this channel. I just haven't, like, fully, like, realized that yet. But where was I going with this? Yeah, maybe just sum up so I can just stop rambling over and over again. Like, I can't make stuff that I'm not excited to film, basically. And if I'm not excited to film something, it's going to show in my videos, and then you're not going to want to watch that. Also, comment down below what kind of thumbnail styles you guys like. I've been experimenting with that a little. If you like just a straight picture with, like, minimal text, I kind of, like, went the opposite route recently with, like, a lot of text, a lot of, like, graphic design work going into Canva. Response has been okay. Probably a little below average, but we'll see. I am kind of a fan of like Kiss, like keep it simple, stupid. Maybe simplicity is honestly better when it comes to thumbnails. Where's I going with that? So yeah, like going forward, like I'm gonna probably be a little more creative with my video content, basically make it more in favor of the audience. I want to help you guys more, giving insight into my life and helping you guys out with tips and tricks and throwing in some tech stuff along the way. That's the best way I can sum this video up. But if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy the channel, guys, if you enjoy Scott Tyler's YouTube channel, subscribe. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I don't know about that giveaway at 1,000 subs, giving away the Galaxy Buds Pros. We'll have to see about that one, but appreciate all you guys. Thank you for sticking with me over this time. I think it's almost been a year since the channel's been out. Probably still under a year. I think I started this like end of January or beginning of February. My goal was 1,000 subs by the summer, but that did not happen. So maybe we'll shoot for 1,000 subs by next summer, but we're almost at 500, so we reached like half our goal at least, and we'll go from there. I'm definitely going to think of a lot of videos that I know will do well in search and browse on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to be working on my thumbnail design, testing the waters with that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.